had nice clean runs through all the stages and no dramas for us. Feeling was quite okay, so yeah, I think I would say that we did our maximum, so yeah, I think it's a good day. Yes, Panzerplatte is a really nice stage tomorrow, and it's a long one and really tricky, so yeah, definitely a bit different compared all the other stages, but yeah, it all depends of the weather, you know. Weather can make a big difference here, so yeah, it's hard to say what the weather will do, and yeah, it can mix the things up quite a lot, so we'll see tomorrow. We just have to wait and see what happens.